Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this press conference. We are all here to discuss a very exciting event which is coming up on the 17th. We all have, known and attended Bondera for so many years. We have grown up listening to the stories, but this year is something special. And we have with us an esteemed panel from the sports club who will share more details with you. And thank you very much to our media friends for attending this press conference and for your continuous support always, because you always show up for our press conferences and give us wide media coverage. And it is only because of your help that our message goes to the public. So without taking up any much time, I would like to on our panel today we have our goings of SKR, Mr. Marius Fernandez, who is always coming up with innovative ideas for our fest, and Bondera is going to be no different. He, on his side, is Mr. Remy de Almeida, who is the vice president of the San Matthias Sports Club, and he is joined by Mr. Robin Crasto, who is the president of the club. And they are all here to share with you the details of what is going to happen on the 17th. Over to Marius first, and then the
Yeah.
members.
Thank you very much, Nicole, for your support as always. And thank you very much to the media for supporting all our festivals. Actually, it's been a long journey of 25 years, 84 festivals, and I'm extremely happy and proud and honored to be part of the Summit Years Bandera this year. So it's going to be really an amazing event this year. It is going to be diverse, it's going to be inclusive, and most importantly, we are going to take everybody with us. We start very early. So please take note, it starts at 11 o'clock. Yeah. And from 11 o'clock, we have an array of programs throughout the day. So we start at 11 o'clock with the 16th edition of the Patoyanje Fest. 16 years ago, we had started in another village. This year, Samatya Sports Club is going to host the Patoyanje Fest. And we have a very renowned Goan, yeah, one of the most esteemed Goan, Dr. Rajendra Kerkar, who is going to come to open the actual fest. When I say it's an inclusive fest, so we will be having things like people from the differently able community. They'll be coming to do Molla, Rotesau. And with us, we have our co-curator, Dr. Gwendolyn Ornalish, with our friend Nicole, who's the coordinator. They will be doing the Patoyanje Fest. We'll have a Patoya workshop happening at that time. The main thing is we have to showcase Goa to the world. As you see, we have a Gurgurat here, we have Gumots there, and all this. This is Goa. This has to be shown to the world. We've had enough fun of music and dance and all that. Now we have to start young, and our aim at this year's Bandera, and we've got a very young committee, and we are hoping, whatever they have seen and learned this year, it will be taken forward to future years. I have with me here Remy Almeida, who's the vice president, and he will tell you the later programs of the day.
ओके पयले सद्याक आमचे सो मालारची मदरा 17 तारखेर सॅटर्डे जातली फ्रॉम 11 o'clock. The morning program is something which is not known to the people because बोंदेरा म्हणल्यार लोकांक दिसता एक सांजचो एंटरटेनमेंट फ्लोट्स कम म्युजिकल इवनिंग, पूण जो आतां आमचो मालार बोरेंदार आहा ती जायतीं वर्सां जालीं आतां लास्ट 3-4 years आमी सकाळचो प्रोग्राम करता आनी सकाळचो प्रोग्राम जो आसता तो आमी एड्युकेशनल आणि हॉलिस्टिक असो केला, where children from various colleges like Carmel College, Nirmala College, Traveling Dome, Soul Traveling, these niche tourism companies are now also attending this Bandera from the point of view of an education and also something they want to see the culture and heritage. So सकाळचो जो प्रोग्राम आसा ह्या वर्सा आमी पातोळ्यांचे फेस्त दवरला, ते आमच्या बाब मारियोन ऑर्गनायज करता तो. We are really happy that he is part of our village. Because of that, he gives us the dimension to make our Bandera reach. So पातोळ्याचे फेस्त आसतले, मागीर मोल्लाचे वर्कशॉप आसतले, रोतेसांव करपाचे आसतले, आनी तितून आमकां आमी जेवण दवरला, ट्रेडिशनल लोकांक जेवण दवरला. त्या ट्रेडिशनल जेवणान तुमकां उकडे तांदूळ, किंवा खतखतें मागीर वणगणे तसले आमी प्रकार दवरल्या लोकांक घेवन टेस्ट करपाक विलेजीचें जेवण कशें आसता तें. त्याच्या नंतर आमी ऑल्सो एक प्रोग्राम दवरला आतां आमी ताका म्हणटा जेड टॉक्स म्हणल्यार जेड म्हणल्यार गोवन एड्युकेशनल टॉक्स ग्रीन गोवन एड्युकेशनल टॉक्स. वॉट वी रियलायज लास्ट इयर इज वेन वी स्टार्टेड वी कॉल्ड द गोवा एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेज आनी थंयचो प्रिंसिपलान आमकां एक टॉपिकाचेर बरो प्रोग्राम केलो उलोवप केलें आनी तो इयर ऑफ द मिलेट्स आसलें. So from that we realized that it was a success and it started looking like we could use the Bondera platform to make it not just an entertainment but an educational for the people who are coming there. So this year we went one step further and we created this official thing called JED Talks, which now Mr. Rajendra Kerkar, the popular environmentalist, is coming to give a topic on something like tiger reserves. Now, with all this happening in the morning time, we are very excited that our Malar Bandera is taking off in a different narrative. अशें म्हणप आसता की मालार बंदेरा आमची धाकटी बंदेरा म्हणून, पूण एक्चुअली तो नॅरेटिव्ह आतां चेंज जालो आनी लोकांनी म्हणजे ताका पळोवपाक जाय की धाकटो बंदेरा न्हू ही लांब बंदेरा कित्याक आमची इकरांक जाता आनी धांक कवर जाता. सो देर इज अ वेरायटी ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन, young teenagers, adults and everybody, and they can choose and pick which they want to come. So with this, I also want to say that this entire thing is possible mostly because the Goa tourism and art and culture department, these two pillars are actually supporting us for many years. आणि आमचो श्री ऑनरेबल गोविंद गावडे मिनिस्टर आणि श्री रोहन गावडे दोगूय जाण आमकां कितले अटेन्शन दिता. तशेंच आमचे आमदार MLA राजेश फळदेसाय केन्नाय वचत जाल्यार केन्नायच अटेन्शन दिता आमकां. सो कितें आमची कामां आसा, फेरयेचेर प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा ते आमकां फेरी थर्ड फेरी जाय किंवा फेरयेचेर ते व्हडले ट्रक येता स्टेज सेटअप करपाक, ते रोखडेच आमची कामां करून दिता. ऑल्सो आमचे सरपंच मारियो पिंटो आणि सुप्रिया तारी ती दोगांय जाण आमकां रोखडेच हेल्प करपाक येता. ग्रास कटिंग करता सद्याक आतां ऑल दिस इज अ फूल टीम where lots of people are actually supporting us, and that's why this thing actually works. And so with that I would like to also tell our new president Mr. Robin who can tell you more about
this club, Robin Castro. So आमने आनीक चड उलोवपाचें कांय ना, सगळें ताणें सांगून गेलां कित्याक करता पळय तें फॉलोराचें आनी कित्याक प्रोग्राम पळयता. आनीक चड म्हणजे आमचे आतां बँड आसतलें वाजोवपाचें आमचे फ्लोट आसता मागीर आनी ते प्रोग्राम पयलो जाता पळय तेन्ना सांगलें. सो तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा येयल्यान आमकां आमचें हें कवर केलें.
आतां आनीक एक हितून आमी सांगपाक म्हणल्यार आमचे देनपारचो जेवण जातकूच अरावंड 3 o'clock आमी क्लबा कडेन सावन एक चर्ची कडेन वता. इट इज अबाउट 1 kilometer डिस्टन्स. थिंगासान पासोय म्हणल्यार बंदेराची पासोय स्टार्ट जाता, सुरू जाता फ्लॅग्स मार्च करपाक. फ्लॅग्स म्हणजे कित्याक ते बंदेरा म्हणजे कितें ती आदली परंपरा आहली पळय ती झगडी जाताली तेजे फेस्टिवल आमी we take it in a positive way and now take it in a different way of positivity. So ते celebration थिंगासान जाता आनी मागीर भुरगीं सगळीं ती एकठांय जावन त्या पासोयेक चलता थ्रू द विलेज आनी मदीं थिंगा स्ट्रीट प्ले करता. आतां इवन दॅट इज समथींग विच इज अ व्हेरी holistic thing that has been introduced by Mario, where this year Tallulah De Silva is coming to do a street play again on tiger reserves. Carmel College is putting up a street play on this thing. So अशें करून आमी वाटेकूय मागीर स्वीट्स वांटा, ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट लायक दोणे, आलें बेलें, पातोयो, ह्यो सगळ्यो लोकांक जे पळय लोक येतात तांकां सगळ्यांक खावपाक मेळटा वाटेक वयता आसतना. So the whole mood is of festivity and celebration, and people घुमटा वाजोवन गिटार वाजोवन कातरां म्हणून लोक एन्जॉय करता टील द पॉयंट ते 4:30 येवन मागीर क्लबा कडेन परतून येता आनी तितूनसान मागीर फ्लोट स्टार्ट जाता. फ्लोटाचे नंतर म्युजिकल इव्हनिंग स्टार्ट.
Just one more thing I want to add. So there are over 500 volunteers. So तुम्ही आमच्या गावात आता सांजेचे या जाल्यार 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, whole village there are people, young youth, parents, children practicing for the Bandera. People have to practice and not indoors on the streets. So you come in all the wades, people are buzzing, getting ready. Another thing, we have a Konkani program between 3:30 and 4:30. Yes.
Yeah.
The legendary Sebi Fernandez is coming to perform. Sebi, who is Sebi? So you all know Chris Perry. Chris Perry's first singer before Lorna was Sebi Fernandez. He used to sing one of his famous songs is Mira Mira. So he was away for many years in Delhi and other places. He's come back to Goa. So he's coming to perform. Then the main band of the evening is Lynx.
Yes,
Yeah,
links.
we got Lynx, we got Katodio, we got Mac Attack, who's and the whole thing is going to be hosted by a very famous Goan RJ Joyd Almeida. So we've got a holistic program from 11 till 10 at night, lots of things, and we want everybody to come. So we got disability people involved, and as you say, we have to thank the people on the ferry. We are an island. So island is completely different from the mainland. So there are many things, parking issues, but everybody is there to welcome. So we welcome everybody to our Bandera, and we need to showcase Goa to the world in a positive way. As you see, everything's here. So before we finish, just 2 more minutes of you. We have Dr. Gwendolyn, and you're going to take over the stage. Yeah, quick, 2 minutes.
Gwendolyn will be demonstrating the traditional making of patolio. So if you want to come closer and take your shots. Doctor?
Hello, Nicole. Thank you so much. Hello, lovely people of the world. So, uh, this is the patoyo. So, when you make patoyo, it all begins a day prior. So, we have the parboiled rice, which is soaked in the night. So, this is the parboiled rice, which is soaked, and in the morning you have to grind this. Nowadays, people use mixers to grind it. So on the mixer, when you are grinding it, Nicole, you have to check the consistency. See, you check it, and
Nice
you
and
have to
clean.
grind it to
Yeah.
a fine paste. Earlier, we used to grind it on the grinding stone, raw. So then you grind that. These are the ingredients. So this is grated coconut, cinnamon, what do you call this?
This is
Cardamom.
cardamom,
This is rock salt,
rock salt.
and this is
Jaggery.
coconut jaggery, and this is the fresh patoyo leaf, which has to be washed and cleaned. This is the mixture of the grated coconut and the jaggery. So you mix this. You take the leaf. Yeah, Nicole.
Mm-hmm.
So do you make patoyos at home, Nicole?
See, I've been a city girl for most of my all my life. So making patholios was never like something that we did at home. We always had the finished product. I
Okay.
think it is only after I started attending Marius's festivals, especially the Pathoja Fest in Sukor, that we actually got a chance to taste it out in the open and see how it's made and all that.
So you have to join me at home, because
I will.
traditionally at home we are taught at a very young age
Yeah.
to prepare patoyos and all the other Goan delicacies. And this is how you do it. I'm roughly showing it so I don't consume much time.
Yeah.
So you lay the batter on the entire leaf, yeah, and then you take this, mix it well,
Mm.
and then as desired, you can use it this way. Some people use nuts nowadays. You can,
But the traditional is
This is the traditional way.
Yeah.
and we follow the traditional way, and then you seal it this way. You can use some water
Mm.
and then press it and seal it. Okay, this is just a short demo that I'm just showing you this. But for a workshop, you have to come on the 17th of August, Saturday, Samatiyesh Sports Club, for the Patoyancha Fest on Modera. So then you steam it in the compressor. So this is the finished product. You'll have to help me, Nicole.
Yeah.
So they can see.
So here, so this is what it looks like when it is steamed.
How long do you keep it in the
You
compressor?
keep it for an hour. It depends. Now see, this is about, we made about 30 papayo, and the leaves are completely different in size. So it all depends. So this is the
Sure, it is
finished
enough.
product.